Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have fairly chilly conditions, but partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. Going to become mostly sunny this afternoon as these clouds move off the coastline. Just seeing plentiful sunshine for the afternoon hours. Slightly breezy winds this morning. They'll die down a little bit this afternoon out of northwest, about 9 to 14 knots, possibly gusting up to 19 knots for the afternoon. This morning we are seeing a little bit gustier winds, near 22 to 23 knots at times. Looking at our weather the last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, we saw temperatures peaking out in the mid-50s across the southern and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Other locations to the north and to the west did see temperatures in the 40s. Here at Wallops, we saw 52 degrees yesterday for a high. Norfolk and Richmond were the warm spots at 55. Baltimore was only at 44 degrees yesterday. Overnight lows saw temperatures dipping below freezing in many locations. Richmond at 28 degrees, that was the cool spot. Here at Wallops, we were at 32. Baltimore at 30, and Salisbury at 31. Saw a little bit of precipitation across the southern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region into Tidewater, as well as Richmond location seeing a trace with a weak upper level disturbance moving through that region yesterday evening. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures slowly rising into the mid-upper 30s across the Mid-Atlantic region, anywhere from mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies in general. One or two locations seeing some mostly cloudy skies, especially around the Wallops region this morning. But as of 9 a.m., we are seeing 36 degrees of partly cloudy skies here at Wallops. We are currently seeing mostly cloudy skies at 10 a.m. Our freezing level on our sounding this morning is at 100 feet. Our winds are northwesterly throughout the low levels of the column this morning, seeing winds anywhere from about 30 to 40 knots in the low levels, then seeing our winds pick up and becoming more west-northwesterly in the upper levels. And at 25,000 feet, we see a westerly wind at 91 knots. Our surface observations with our infrared satellite overlaid on that, we are seeing some cloud cover across the Wallops region, as I mentioned, around 4,000 feet. That'll continue to move off the coastline. Seeing a little bit of cloud cover over the Appalachian Mountains this morning, but they are drying out once they move in the coastal plain. Going to see mostly sunny conditions, as I said, for this afternoon. Winds are gusting about 17, around 21 to 22 knots at times this morning. Now dying down this afternoon, as I mentioned. Temperatures will peak out in the lower 40s today. Our surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we have a little bit of a tighter pressure gradient along the Delmarva Peninsula this morning. That'll continue to move off coast as this high pressure builds in from the west, and that'll die down our winds as well as providing us with mostly sunny conditions. This area high pressure will build over the area tonight, giving us a good radiational cooling night, seeing temperatures in the 20s for overnight lows, so it will be a chilly start to your Friday. Looking at our Thursday PM planner, going to have that area high pressure building in. Looking at our Thursday night planner, high pressure overhead, and that's going to allow us to have variable winds overnight and a good radiational cooling setup for the Wallops region. Looking at our Friday AM planner, much the same. High pressure starts to move off the coast for our Friday afternoon, and that's going to give us a brief or a time period where we can warm up comparatively what we're going to see today, seeing temperatures in the upper 40s for highs tomorrow, and then on Saturday we'll really see a warm up. Here's our Saturday PM planner, looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 50s across the Delmarva Peninsula. Right on the coastline, you're going to see temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, as we'll have more of a south to southwesterly wind. Now allow for the wind off the water to keep the temperatures down just slightly along the coastline. We'll also have a cold front starting to approach from the west. It's going to impact our region for Sunday, giving us some showers and possibly lingering into Monday morning. Looking at our risk chart for this morning, we have a yellow for winds near 25 knots. I don't think we'll reach that 25 knot criteria, but we are seeing winds around 22 knots this morning with the gusts, and sustained 9 to 14 knots out of the northwest. We'll see a high of 42 degrees today, and then tonight we'll see a low of 24 degrees as winds become variable and less than 5 knots. Clear skies overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, looking at currently a broken deck at 4,000 feet. That'll become a scattered deck at 4,000 feet, and this afternoon we'll just see mostly sunny to clear skies. Clear skies will dominate tonight, and then by tomorrow morning we'll see a few clouds at 7,000 feet, a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Our tides are currently normal, and looking into Friday and to Saturday, Friday will be mostly sunny to partly cloudy. As I mentioned, slightly warmer than today. high of 47 degrees. For Friday night, we'll have mostly clear skies to partly cloudy skies. A slight chance of low cloudiness coming in along the coast towards the dawn time period. Looks like that is about a 10% chance, so not a very high chance of that occurring. Now low of 34 degrees early Friday night, and then it'll warm into the mid to upper 30s by dawn. And then Saturday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies, mild temperatures, high of 55 degrees, so looking like a very nice start to the beginning of the weekend. Looking at the next 7 days, we're going to see 42 degrees, as I mentioned, for today, 47 for Friday, for a very seasonable late January day. And then for Saturday into Sunday, we'll see that warm-up occur. Temperatures for highs in the mid to upper 50s across the Mid-Atlantic region. Here at Wallops, we'll see temperatures in the mid-50s for both days. 47 degrees for our overnight low for Saturday and Sunday, so a very mild overnight low for Saturday and Sunday as that cold front moves through, and then we'll see a likely chance of rainfall on Sunday, possibly lingering into the Monday morning time period, but the models have not done a very good job or have not been very consistent with this system moving through for Sunday and especially for Monday, and we'll keep an eye on that, determine if those rain showers do linger in here Monday morning. Looking like Monday is going to be a fairly decent day as well. Be breezier Monday afternoon, so it won't feel like it's 51 degrees out there with those breezy northwesterly winds, but it will be fairly moderate temperatures-wise. Then we move into Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll have a colder air mass move in the region. Tuesday's highs will be in the 30s, and then Wednesday will be struggling to get out of the 30s into the lower 40s. That's going to complete the weather brief this morning. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.